Okay, today we're going to unbox the Ringke case for iPhone 13 Pro Max. I ordered this from Amazon, so let's check it out. The price of this case is 1,499 rupees. However, you get it in discount when you check in Amazon. The color of this case is smoke black. Let's open the cover. Right, so we can see there is an instruction manual and also there is a QR code to register for warranty. According to the instruction, I need to remove the cover from front and back of this case. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, we can see there are shades of black on the sides and also on the edge of the camera cut. Here it says Ringke. Hope I pronounced it right. Okay, so let's put the iPhone on this case and see how it looks. The fitting is good. You can see there is an elevation to protect the camera, and also there is elevation to protect the screen here. We can see here the button cutouts are very precise. Here it says made in Korea. So this is how the phone looks after you put the case. Looks pretty neat. I didn't want to miss this Sierra blue color, so I opted for this transparent case back. And I presume since we have a black coating at the edges of the case, this will prevent the case from becoming yellow. Time will tell. Anyway. Alright, so now it's time to add another accessory, which is nothing but tempered glass. Although Apple says the display is ceramic shield and tougher than any smartphone glass, adding a tempered glass will, give me a peace of mind. I've ordered this particular tempered glass. This is called czartech. This is quite affordable. Here it says $7.99, but after discount I got it for a good price in Amazon. So let's see what we have here. Right, so this is the tempered glass. Okay, so they have given this dust absorber sticker, guiding sticker, and the wet and dry wipes. Need to remove this case in order to apply the tempered glass. So you can see the case is very easy to remove. So the first thing we need to do is wipe with this wet cloth and then wipe with dry cloth, and after that apply the glass. You can see there's a lot of moisture on this cloth. Right, it should be enough. Let me use the dry cloth to remove the moisture. There are fine particles of dust on the screen which we can remove using this dust absorber. I think it's all clear. Okay, soon after we remove the dust, we need to instantly apply this case, because if we delay, I think we can see some more dust here since started immediately. Okay, remove it half, hold it like this. First align it on the top, ensure the speaker cutout is very precise, and apply it. This is good. I don't see any air bubbles. Time to put the case and let's see if it interferes with the case. The case fits perfectly with the tempered glass on. One thing I would like to check, since there is a elevation here for the camera, so let's see if I place the phone on the surface, if it wobbles. Okay, a little bit. So that's fine. Anyway, most of the time people used to keep the phone like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and click on like. If you have any questions, you can post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.